Urgent warning. Planned high-profile arrest imminent. Targets. VP Chwenga, serving generals, retired generals, all veterans, and opposition figures. Full plot exposed. In attached letter, read, prepare, warn others. Zabina Mashkom Daddy Gopangwa in President Anthony Taylor subscribe or like out on the bell icon. They've posted on their handle this picture Amurkona Abdanyo agency from Comrade Gageni Ajanga, writing from exile. I'm one of you, a former freedom fighter, too, all serving generals and serving military personnel, Zimbabwe Defense Forces, all retired military generals, all veterans of the liberation struggle, all security service commanders, the entire nation of Zimbabwe. Zabina Zeri Rubo subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Dated 16 July 2026, subject. Imminent mass, high profile arrest, treason frame ups, charges, illegal Cap 3 operation and the Uganda script being implemented in Zimbabwe Rachiti are read to you today with accurate information as shared by the informer. It is within my right to expose such a dangerous operation which may disturb our country's peace. This is not rumor, this is not speculation, and it must never be taken lightly. I'm Comrade uh, Gageni Ajanga speaking to you from exile, and I want you to know exactly who is warning you. I am one of you, a former freedom fighter. I fought in Manicaland in the Zimunya area, side by side with a former commander, General Augustine Chihuri, who was known by his war name, Chocha. I was there in the bush. I took the same oath. I drank from the same cup of struggle. That is why I speak with authority, and that is why you must listen. I lay bare exactly what Amazon is secretly planning, and I warn every one of you, serving generals, retired generals, or veterans, commanders, and all who stand for the law. Toma developments arikuda pangwa ine achipa warnings to these mentioned people pangwa ine achiti aiwa pane maplots ari kuda kuitwa high profile treason arrest nezvimwe zvakadaro. Penda kumasection medu zofukura imi muri kudiwa pamusoro pechituko ichi. Musasubscribe, like achita on the bell icon.